AI is completely changing the way people make money online, and one of the fastest growing side hustles right now is selling AI-generated digital products. No inventory, no shipping, no upfront costs, just AI doing the heavy lifting while you collect passive income. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can use AI to create and sell digital products that make money 24/7, even while you sleep. This is the exact model people are using right now to make 5K, 10K, even 20K a month completely automated. And the best part? You don't need design skills, experience, or even a big budget to start. You just need the right AI tools and a smart strategy. Let's get into it. Section 1, why AI digital products are the ultimate side hustle. So why is this such a powerful way to make money? Unlike physical products, digital products don't require manufacturing, shipping, or warehousing. Once you create them, they can be sold an unlimited number of times without any extra effort. And now with AI, you don't even have to create these products from scratch. AI can generate them for you in minutes. For example, there are people right now making thousands of dollars selling AI-generated planners, digital workbooks, social media templates, and even AI-written books on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify. Have you ever bought a digital product online? Let me know in the comments. Now let's go step by step and break down exactly how you can start your own AI-powered digital product business today. We're going to break this down into 5 simple steps so you can get started immediately. Step 1. Choose a profitable digital product to sell. Not all digital products are created equal. Some sell like crazy, while others don't make a dime. The best AI-generated digital products to sell are planners and journals, so AI-generated productivity templates, meal planners, fitness trackers, social media templates, like Instagram post templates, TikTok ad scripts, YouTube thumbnails, AI-generated art and posters like wall art, NFT-style digital collectibles, online courses and ebooks, so AI-generated educational content, step-by-step guides, and business and legal templates, contracts, invoices, sales pitch decks. The key is to pick a product that solves a problem or saves people time. That's what sells best. Step 2, use AI to generate the product in minutes. Once you've picked your product, it's time to create it. And this is where AI makes things ridiculously easy. The best AI tools to use are ChatGPT or Claude AI to generate ebooks, online courses, product descriptions. Use Canva or Leonardo.ai to create beautiful digital art, social media templates, posters. Use Visme or Beautiful.ai to generate business templates, sales decks, presentations, and use ScribeHow to turn step-by-step processes into full tutorials and guides. For example, let's say you want to sell an AI-generated planner. You can literally type into ChatGPT, create a 30-day productivity planner with daily goal-setting prompts, and within seconds, it's done. The key here is to refine the AI-generated content. Make sure it's unique, polished, and useful before selling. Step 3, set up your online store for automation. Now that you have your product, it's time to set up your online store. The goal here is to make sure everything runs on autopilot. The best platforms for selling AI digital products are Etsy, which is great for digital downloads like planners and templates, Gumroad, perfect for ebooks, AI-generated courses and memberships, Shopify, which is best for scaling with print-on-demand or digital goods, and PayHip, which is an alternative to Gumroad for one-click selling. For example, let's say you're selling AI-generated Instagram post templates. You can upload them to Etsy, price them at $9.99, and set up automated delivery. Every time someone buys, they get the download instantly. No manual work needed. The key here is to focus on platforms where customers are already looking for digital products. That's why Etsy and Gumroad work so well. Step 4, automate your marketing with AI. Now that your product is live, you need traffic, and AI can help with that too. Here are a few AI-powered marketing strategies. 1, AI-generated TikTok and Instagram Reels. You can use ChatGPT and CapCut to create viral content. 2, YouTube Shorts and Pinterest SEO. AI auto creates scripts and video clips for short-form content. 3rd, email marketing with AI. You can use Copy.ai or Jasper AI for high-converting email sequences. 4, AI-powered ads. Run AI-optimized Facebook and Google ads for digital product sales. For example, you can use AI to create short, engaging TikTok videos promoting your digital product without ever recording yourself. The key here is to focus on 1 or 2 platforms first, then scale as you start making consistent sales. Step 5, scale to $10,000 plus per month with AI automations. Once you start making sales, the key is to scale. Here's how you scale and multiply your income. Create more digital products, create offer variations, bundles, upsells. Use AI to personalize your content, generate custom templates based on user preferences, automate customer service with AI chatbots, and sell AI digital products as a membership, like offering a subscription for exclusive access. The main thing here is once your store is running smoothly, reinvest profits into more AI-driven content and marketing, rinse and repeat. Final section. Here's how to start today. Now you know exactly how to use AI to create and sell digital products that generate passive income. But this only works if you take action. Start by picking your product, test an AI tool today, and upload your first digital product to Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. I break all of this down step by step in my book, The Digital Garden. If you want to master digital assets and AI wealth building, grab a copy now. The link is in the description. And if you want more AI-powered income strategies, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping new videos every week. AI is the biggest opportunity of our lifetime. Don't get left behind. I'll see you in the next video.